One underrated way in order to learn a new language is to consume its entertainment. And I'm not like a rookie with this because I would consume a lot of Bollywood entertainment growing up. And I could understand some basic Hindi, but not enough. I believe if I turned off the subtitles and I would force myself to understand the content, then my Hindi game would be a lot higher. But I could take those lessons and apply to Spanish. Maybe one underrated way to learn a new language is to consume Spanish entertainment without the subtitles. You can make the argument that the subtitles should help you even more, but let's just make it challenging for us. And I would say that's a great way to learn the new language. I gotta first try it out before I'm fully certain. As of right now, it's simply a hypothesis. And another way people will often say is that you live in the place that you want to learn the language of. So if you want to learn Argentinian or whatever they speak, you live in Argentina for a year or two. And then from there, you're capable of building a stronger fluency in regards to it.